preloading the board. We do it all the time. It's just going down and back up with 18-pound zip ties. So I use and sell I think they're 6.3-inch long zip ties, 6-inch zip ties, but 18-pound is the key, because if you get like a 40-pound, this is a 40-pound, this is an 18-pound. Do you see the head difference on that zip tie and the thickness of the zip tie? This is overkill. This is great. We have 10-inch long ones like this, 40-pound. These are great for hangers. So if you just want to grab a bag just to use for your hangers, you'll have 100 hangers. These are great, but they're too much for making our wreaths. So we just use the 18-pound, which is nice. They come in a 100 pack, and they're much less expensive than the 40-pound ones, okay?